Guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this part 2 of video series regarding the limit switches. Again guys, welcome. Now we are going to adjust the cam levers inside this limit switch. Now what I see with regards to this limit switch, what makes it special, because you can have or you can adjust the normally closed and normally open with this limit switch with different triggering mechanisms on either points 1 and 2 and points 3 and 4. With the arm and the striker on separate or in different directions. This limit switch is not your typical type of limit switch which only involves cut in and cut out, normally close, normally open, and acts like a switch. But these have two separate directions and movement for controlling the power. In this video, we will take apart this limit switch screw per screw, and I will let you see how I adjust the cam levers inside. Now, rubber gloves would be quite handy at this point because you are going to deal with grease, especially on the moving parts and mechanisms inside, like the springs or what we call them return springs. So because it will let the arm go back to its normal position. As you go about taking apart this switch screw per screw and by parts, it is quite necessary, or it's necessary to put some markings so that during assembly it would be a lot easier. Guys, please watch my other videos where I tackle the everyday life on board the ship as a seafarer, the day-to-day work and repairs we do as a crew. I also include some troubleshooting and maintenance videos, so please comment or share your thoughts and help me grow my YouTube channel. And please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button, like and share na rin po. These are the rollers that will be hitting our cam levers. You see there's an on and off travel between them, and there's a spring inside also, as you can see. Here I use a marker to mark where the roller will be landing on its off position, and also by putting this marker you can see the length of travel, the length of time where the off position will be positioning on the cam levers. So it's now easy to determine where the location of the on position is in the off position. and also the length of travel, length of time. Now here comes the greasy part. We will be opening the bottom part of this limit switch, where you will see the return spring. Be careful also in dealing with these O-rings and gaskets because they mean a lot. Better also if you have this paper towel. Now we can freely adjust the cam levers because we already removed the spring. So we can adjust the cam levers without force. Here I'm removing the lock which separates the two cams. Now put your attention on this pin. This one is also used in holding the cam levers in place or locking it in place. Now you can have your adjustments here on. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share na rin po. Thank you.